Welcome to day 29 of my 0 to 10K on Amazon with Amazon ads on Amazon KDP. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach, and let's begin. So let's see. We have 2 days left. And no sales. Alright, so we have flatline since February the 3rd. Let's see what's going on with marketing. Alright. Okay, so ads are running. It's not that much, it's very low. Spent like 82 cents yesterday. Yeah, so it's very low. Clicks are not really coming in. We're not spending that much on ads. So, from what it looks like, in 20 cents, the lottery ads or the ads I have set up, the manual ads for 20 cents per click is not cutting it. I'm getting 1-2 clicks a day, but nothing major. The credit book, I'm getting more clicks here and on the journal, but nothing. Let's see. Not that many. Okay, let's go check Canada. Canada's getting questions, but no clicks. Okay. Alright, let's go look at the kids to see. And this is automatic ads still. This one here. So it peaked and then it dropped. This one's spending, let's see. Targeting search terms. This one is loose, I think. Yeah, loose match. See if the search terms came up. Okay, so here's some search terms that came up. Baby books. So it's getting a lot of clicks for, well, not a lot, but baby books is where the clicks are coming from. Okay. Let's see for the other ones. So this one here. See what search terms that is. Alright. So I'm not quite sure what to do at this point with these ads. Once after the 30 days, I may stop them. or keep them running, see what words are working, what's not working. I'm gonna start looking for some mentorship to help me grow in sales. So if you guys know any good courses or mentors, leave a comment below as to who or whom I should sign up with. I think that's all for today. Tomorrow is day 30, and we're going to discover how much I have made, and I'm going to do an overview of the last 30 days, how this journey was. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.